Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which is a great alternative to Bolt. Bolt.ai, as you all know, it's a great AI for developing full stack coding applications online. This is a new website, Bolt.new.ai, and it's really similar to Claude, Gemini, Quen. So it's actually a platform. So once you log in with your Google account, I've already done that. It gives you around 10,000 credits. I think it gives you 1 lakh credits. I've already logged in, and as you can see, it gives me this much of credits. And now to get started, it's quite simple. The interface is quite simple. In the free plan, as you see, we get 1 million token limit. So it gives you 1 million tokens once you sign up. They also have the pro plan, which start with $6.67. Now to build a application, from here you select the model. So you can actually get access to Claude, Sonnet models, Gemini Pro, DeepSeek version. So let's suppose I want to develop an application. So I simply write it in the prompt. This is similar to Cursor, Claude, Gemini. So once you type this, it has its own code editor. Once it finishes, you will see the live preview. It also has the code editor as well. Once it generates all the files, you will be able to download the code as well. So it's a really good, you can see it has a preview screen as well where it has its own server. So one by one, it is generating all the files for this application, image to PDF. So as you can see, it's really fast as well because it's using the DeepSeek version 3 model. These are all the files it is actually generating it, and as you can see, it is writing the code here. So with the help of this platform for totally free, you can build out quality level applications. Simply type the prompt and then wait for the AI to finish. And you also have the Claude models as well. If you do want to use it for totally free, you can do that. Gemini Pro as well. So I am using this website for past 1 week, and it's a really good website. As you can see, it is writing the code here, building a full stack coding application. So once it finishes, it is actually executing all the commands for installing the Node.js modules and then running the development server. And this will come directly in the preview section. So it is building out the complete project. So it's totally a automated platform. You simply write the prompt and everything it will do by its own. It will run, make the application, deploy this, and also run the application. So it's a great platform, similar to Claude, Cursor, Gemini, GPT, Quen. So as you can see, it is installing the dependencies. You can even ask follow-up questions as well. So as you can see, it costs you some credits. So once you make the application, it costs you some credits. And you can even ask follow-up questions as well. You can also attach images. Voice chat is also available. You can select here Claude Sonnet model. So definitely check out this platform Bolt.new.ai. I'm just loving this platform.